Number 1. Amazon Smart Plug, newest model, works with Alexa. Amazon Smart Plug works with Alexa to add voice control to any outlet, simple to set up and use. Plug in, open the Alexa app, and get started in minutes. Compatible with many lamps, fans, coffee makers, and other household devices with a physical on-off switch. Compact design keeps your second outlet free for an additional smart plug. No smart home hub required. Manage all your Amazon Smart Plugs through the Alexa app. Number 2. Amazon Basics Waterproof Outdoor Smart Plug with Timer and Remote Control. Amazon Basics Smart Outdoor Plug works with Alexa to add remote and voice control to traditional outdoor lightings and devices. Control from anywhere. Schedule lights and outdoor electronic appliances to turn on and off automatically, or control them remotely when you're away. Simple TO setup with Alexa. Plug in the Smart Outdoor Plug, open the Alexa app, and get started in minutes as you get notified. Dev. Number 3. 50x40 LED Lighted Bathroom Mirror for Wall. The Odson LED bathroom mirror features dual lighting with both front and back LED strips, ensuring ample illumination for makeup application, shaving, and personal grooming tasks. Customizable ambience. With stepless color adjustment from warm white, 3000K, to cool white, 6000K, and dimmable brightness levels, you can tailor the lighting to suit your preferences. Fog-free clarity. The anti-fog function, activated by a touch button. Number 4. Anona Aurora 4K Security Camera Outdoor Battery Wireless with Solar Powered. Aurora Security Camera captures every detail with stunning 4K resolution and 8 megapixels, giving you crystal clear visibility and reliable security, day and night. Equipped with a starlight sensor and an f1.2 large aperture, Aurora provides vibrant color night vision even in low light conditions. Anona Aurora's always-on video, AOV, ensures uninterrupted time-lapse recordings without the need. Number 5. ULTRALOQ Smart Lock U-Bolt Pro, 7-in-1 Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock with App Control. 7-in-1 Keyless Entry Door Lock. Touch and go 360 degrees fingerprint ID anti-peep keypad smartphone app auto unlock shake to open compatible with Apple Watch mechanical key, 360 degrees live fingerprint ID. Just one touch to unlock your smart lock. No more fumbling around for keys. Stores up to 100 fingerprints. Up to 50 customizable 4 to 8 digit codes for backup. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.